Hayden here with Hydro Wash 360. Welcome to the Olympus Harbour Island project. This project that we tackle a lot for Olympus here. We teamed up with a partner help like we always do with our boys at KWB. And when it comes to high structures like this, up to 4 stories, it's probably be solo. What we call the pilots in, but we need to go up high. We take care of all the tall surfaces, and then when it comes down to the bottom and the ground, we're here to take it out.
After seeing the results from this project, working with Hydro 360, drone wash dynamics, love the results that our building is showing. They're also very efficient in working together. Any issues, any questions that we had on our end, they're very responsive. I definitely recommend them, and we're ecstatic about the results of this project.